Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by collecting only valid observations and immediately sort them in ascending order. This gives you a clear sequence. Once done, count n to determine whether the median sits on a value or between values. If n is odd, the middle value is the median. If even, the median is the average of the two center values. Make sure to record positions as ranks. This matters because quartile calculations depend on exact ranks, not just approximate percentiles. Next, split your sorted list into two halves to isolate quartile zones. This division depends on whether n is odd or even. Then compute the median of the lower half to get Q1 and the median of the upper half to get Q3. Once done, if n was odd, exclude the overall median from both halves. If n was even, both halves include the center values. These steps ensure Q1 and Q3 correctly reflect the dataset's 25th and 75th percentiles, preserving symmetry in skewed data. Finally, subtract Q1 from Q3 to get the interquartile range. This value measures the middle 50% spread. Once you have IQR, multiply it by 1.5 and check for outliers below Q1 minus 1. 5 times IQR or above Q3 plus 1. 5 times IQR, because outliers can distort interpretation. If numbers seem off, make sure your initial sorting and splitting were correct, and that you handled the median consistently. Recalculate positions if necessary. Then report Q1, Q3, IQR, and any identified outliers clearly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.